Hello, today I'm in Chevrolet Captiva. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable front wipers, simply push the lever upwards, and now you've enabled it in auto mode that you can also adjust on this part of the lever. Then you can push it again to enable it in low mode, and again to enable it in high mode. In the end, you can enable it in mist mode by pushing it downwards. To disable front wipers, set it to off position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.